Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I love this park.
Me too. It's so peaceful.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah, and you?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Are you here with friends?
No, just me.
Do you like walking?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Great, enjoy your day.
You too.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 5 minutes away. What about you?
I live close to, maybe 10 minutes.
That's great. Do you come here every day?
Almost every day, I like to exercise here.
That's nice. I like to read under the trees.
Oh, what kind of books do you like?
I love adventure stories. And you?
I like mystery books.
That's good.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's sunny and cool.
Do you like this season?
I love it. Not too hot, not too cold.
Are you reading today?
Yes, I just started a new book.
What's it about?
It's an adventure story about a treasure hunt.
That sounds exciting.
What about you? Are you here for a walk?
Yes, I like walking after work. It helps me relax.
That's a great habit. Do you work nearby?
Yes, my office is just 15 minutes away.
Oh, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. How about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to kids.
That's wonderful. Kids must love you.
I hope so. They're full of energy.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy painting and cooking. What about you?
I like photography. I sometimes take pictures here.
Really, the park must be a great spot for that.
It is. The sunsets here are amazing.
I'd love to see your photos someday.
Sure, I can bring some next time.
That's great. Oh, I need to go now.
No problem. Have a good evening.
You too, Alex. See you soon.
Bye, Sarah.
Bye, Alex. Take care.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.